Join me as I dig deep into the reasons holding you back from making money with affiliate marketing and see if I can find the solutions. Affiliate marketing is an incredible way to generate income online, and many people have success stories to share about it. However, it's not always easy, and many others struggle to make it work. Why is that? What's stopping people from achieving their financial goals through affiliate marketing? That's what we're going to explore today. One of the most common obstacles people face is a lack of clarity on how to get started. They might have heard of affiliate marketing, but they're not sure where to begin, what products to promote, or how to create effective marketing campaigns. This lack of direction can be overwhelming, causing them to give up before they even start. Another obstacle is the fear of failure. Many people are hesitant to invest time and effort into something that might not work out, and the risk of losing money can be daunting. Self-doubt can also be a major obstacle, as people might feel they're not good enough, or that they don't have the necessary skills to succeed in affiliate marketing. Finally, some people might be misled by unrealistic expectations and get-rich-quick schemes, which can lead to disappointment and frustration when they don't see instant results. One of the key reasons people struggle with affiliate marketing is a lack of knowledge and understanding of how it works. They might not grasp the concept of building a loyal audience, creating valuable content, or promoting products that resonate with their target market. Without a solid foundation of knowledge, it's easy to get lost in the noise of online marketing and end up with mediocre results. Another reason is poor niche selection. People might choose a niche that's too competitive, too narrow, or too broad, which can make it difficult to attract and engage with their target audience. Ineffective marketing strategies are also a major hurdle. Without a clear plan and the right tools, people might waste their time and resources on tactics that don't convert. And finally, some people might not be willing to put in the effort and time required to build a successful affiliate marketing business. They might expect overnight success, but in reality, building a loyal audience and creating a profitable business takes time, patience, and perseverance. The good news is that these obstacles can be overcome. One powerful insight that can help you succeed in affiliate marketing is to focus on building relationships and providing value to your audience. Instead of pushing products or services, focus on creating content that solves problems, answers questions, or inspires people. This approach might take longer, but it's more sustainable and can lead to long-term success. Another tip is to start small and be patient. Don't try to tackle everything at once. Instead, focus on one or two strategies and master them before moving on to the next. And finally, be open to learning and adapting to the ever-changing landscape of online marketing. Stay up to date with the latest trends and strategies, and be willing to pivot when something isn't working. So what's stopping you from making money with affiliate marketing? Is it a lack of knowledge, poor niche selection, or ineffective marketing strategies? Whatever it is, remember that it's not impossible to overcome. By focusing on building relationships, providing value, and being patient, you can increase your chances of success in affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What's been your experience with affiliate marketing? What challenges have you faced, and how have you overcome them? And if you're new to affiliate marketing, what's holding you back from getting started? Let's continue the conversation in the comments.